Question number 676. Misappropriation of property has been defined under dash of IPC. Correct answer is option A, that is section 403 of IPC. Question number 677. In case of criminal misappropriation, the subsequent intention must be fraudulent, dishonest, innocent, illegal. Correct answer is option B, that is dishonest. Question number 678. A finds a government promissory note belonging to Z bearing a blank endorsement. A, knowing that the note belongs to Z, pledges it with a banker as a security for a loan, intending at a future time to restore it to Z. A has committed the offence of cheating, criminal breach of trust, criminal misappropriation of property, mischief. Correct answer is option C, that is criminal misappropriation of property. Question number 679. A and B being joint owners of an elephant, A takes the elephant out of B's possession intending to use it. A then sells the elephant and appropriates the whole proceeds to his own use. What offence has A committed? Cheating, theft, criminal breach of trust, dishonest misappropriation. Correct answer is option D, that is dishonest misappropriation. Question number 680. A finds a valuable diamond not knowing to whom it belongs. A sells it immediately without attempting to discover the owner. A is guilty of theft as it is causing wrongful gain to him, guilty of criminal breach of trust, guilty of extortion, guilty of criminal misappropriation of property. Correct answer is option D, that is guilty of criminal misappropriation of property. Question number 681. A finds a purse with money not knowing to whom it belongs. He afterwards discovers that it belongs to B and appropriates to his own use. A is guilty of theft, criminal misappropriation, criminal breach of trust, cheating. Correct answer is option B, that is criminal misappropriation. Question number 682. A finds a rupee on the highway not knowing to whom the rupee belongs. A picks up the rupee. A has committed the offence of dishonest misappropriation of property, theft, dishonestly receiving stolen property, none of the above. Correct answer is option D, that is none of the above. Question number 683. A's wallet falls out of his pocket unknown to him. His friend B, who sees this, picks up the same. On finding that the wallet contains rupees 2000, B uses the money for his own purpose. After 6 hours, B puts rupees 2000 back in the wallet and returns the same to A. B is guilty of no offence, theft, as B has caused wrongful loss to A for 6 hours. Criminal misappropriation of property, cheating, as he deceived A. Correct answer is option C, that is criminal misappropriation of property. Question number 684. A finds a watch on the floor of a state transport bus while he was leaving it as the last passenger. He picked it up and put it in his pocket instead of returning it to the state transport authorities. Next day, he sold it. A is liable for theft, extortion, criminal misappropriation, criminal breach of trust. Correct answer is option C, that is criminal misappropriation. Question number 685. A poor student finds a letter on the road containing a bank note. From the content and direction of letter, he learns from whom the note belongs. A uses that note for buying some books. A has committed the offence of dishonest misappropriation of property, the offence of theft, no offence, the offence of criminal breach of trust. Correct answer is option A, that is the offence of dishonest misappropriation of property. Question number 686. Dishonest misappropriation of property possessed by deceased person at the time of his death is an offence punishable under IPC in Section 404, Section 406, Section 407, Section 409. Correct answer is option A, that is Section 404. Question number 687. Z dies in possession of a furniture and money. His servant A, before the money comes into the possession of any such person who is entitled to, dishonestly misappropriates it. A has committed offence under which of the following sections of IPC? Section 403, Section 404, Section 405, Section 406. Correct answer is option B, that is Section 404 of IPC. Question number 688. According to IPC, taking property dishonestly from the dead body does not amount to offence, amount to the offence of theft, amount to the offence of criminal misappropriation, amount to the offence of criminal breach of trust. Correct answer is option C, that is amount to the offence of criminal misappropriation. Question number 689. Unlawful removal of ornaments from the body of a deceased person amounts to criminal breach of trust, extortion, cheating, criminal misappropriation. Correct answer is option D, that is criminal misappropriation. Question number 690. Removal of ornaments from the body of one after causing his death constitutes an offence under Section 392 of IPC, 379, 420 of IPC, 404 of the IPC. Correct answer is option D, that is Section 404 of the Indian Penal Code. Question number 691. The offence of criminal breach of trust is described in section 405 of IPC. Question number 692. Criminal breach of trust is related to movable property only, immovable property only, both movable and immovable properties, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, that is both movable and immovable properties. Question number 693. Criminal breach of trust is an offence signifying entrustment, demand, refusion, all of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is entrustment. Question number 694. In an offence of criminal breach of trust, what is necessarily involved? Registered society, registered trust, registered or unregistered trust property. Correct answer is option D, that is property. Question number 695. If a person entrusted with a property dishonestly converts to his own use, he commits fraud, cheating, criminal misappropriation, criminal breach of trust. Correct answer is option D, that is criminal breach of trust. Question number 696. An offence against property may be wrongful confinement, criminal breach of trust, defamation, public nuisance. Correct answer is option B, that is criminal breach of trust. Question number 697. A, who was entrusted by B with certain blocks for printing a catalog, prints catalog of rivals firm with the same block. A is guilty of criminal breach of trust. Question number 698. Which of the following case is related to criminal breach of trust under section 406 of IPC? Barendra Kumar Ghosh versus Emperor, J.M. Desai versus State of Bombay, Mehboob Shah versus Emperor, Kedarnath versus State of West Bengal. Here the correct answer is option B, that is J.M. Desai versus State of Bombay. Question number 699. A sends a mobile phone to his friend through his servant B. The servant took the phone at his house and used it over a period of time. B is the guilty of the offence of theft, criminal misappropriation of property, criminal breach of trust, cheating. Correct answer is option C, that is criminal breach of trust. Question number 700. Z, going on a journey, entrusts his golden plate to A till Z shall return. A carries the plate to market and sells it. What crime was committed by A? A has committed a crime of criminal breach of trust.